Good afternoon, everyone. Today is a test day. So I'm just currently setting up her test for the shed. So I've got a bag of pipes here. I think it's Rhiannon. She'll be coming here later with the meters and plugging them in. So I've just got to swap all these pipes out and I'll explain what's happening later. How you going?
Good, how are you?
Alright, we've got the shed set up. Joe helped.
Hello.
So pretty much this is the meter. You're probably actually better explaining it than me, Joe.
Yeah, I can if you like.
Yeah.
It's an electronic milk meter.
Yeah.
So they've got their own flow rate, so calculates the volume. So milk flows in the bottom and out the top. And then we take it back to the lab, do a cell count, fat and protein for every cow in the head.
Yep. So we collect the cow's number. Joe's got a cool little tablet. She punches the number in. It corresponds with that. And then it's got a
Vial.
chip on the bottom of the
Yep.
vial. And that's how we know what cow's what.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting for the cows. Alright, as we see here, we've got a cow, her name's 705. Milking away. Hey, sweetie. You're watching us, aren't you? Yeah. Milking away. Milk comes down the pipe and it goes into the milk sampling thing. Milk tester. So it comes in the bottom. Oh, it's going to poo on us. Right, stop pooing. So it comes in the bottom, it goes up a pipe right up the middle, and it comes out the top and sort of squirts out like a fountain, sort of in like a water feature. Now on the side here, I don't know if you can just see it, there's a little slit that captures the milk and it dribbles down into a flask. So that holds the milk as we're milking along, and as the herd tester comes along, after we enter the cow number, she'll hit the dump button, which dumps the sample into the jar. And then that jar goes all the way to our collection little jars. So these are all little milk samples from all the cows that we've just done. And then they'll go to the lab and get tested. 201. 203. 773. $7.97. 206. Alright, so from the herd test list that we have, I've got a list here, so we go through all the cows in the herd here and find those numbers. Once we found those numbers, I generally mark them up a day before I'm going to test them. So with this girl here, I've actually put a little orange dot on her for me to do a tray test on it. This is what the tray test looks like. You put milk, need another hand. So you put milk samples in each little, I don't know, dish, you call it. And then we add a detergent in it, which makes the milk go jelly if it's infected, or just sort of colours it, and yeah, it's just like a milky soap sort of thing. And yeah, sort of, that's how we tell which quarter's infected, and then we just start the treatment process. Alright, I'm not sure if you can hear me because of the wind, so I had to turn the fan on because the flies are starting to get bad in here. This is what a cow with treatment looks like marked up. Paint a nice red, mark the quarter that's infected, and treat it. And we always separate her milk, so her milk goes in the bucket here, and then it just goes down the drain. If I had calves, I might feed the milk to the calves, but I don't have calves at the moment, so that's the story of the milk. And this is my treatment board. So these are all the cows under treatment. I'll let the cows go. These are all the cows under treatment at the moment. How many tubes they have, what type of treatment they're on and stuff like that. Their numbers and names, yeah, by what quarter's infected. Obviously a couple I couldn't find where the infection was. Apart from that, that's the whole process. So we're just treating them, and then hopefully the girls go back to the vat all good in about 3-4 days time after the antibiotic withhold comes off them. And that is the result of our herd test. So that brings our milk cell count down by about 100,000 since we've done that test, which is good. Brings us back into A quality milk. And I hope you enjoyed learning how a herd test happens on the farm. If you've got any questions of that, I guess I'll see you in the comments.